Well, the question is, consider a force F is equal minus x I cap plus y z cap. The work done by this force in moving a particle from point 10 to point 01 along the line segment. Okay, all quantities are in SI. So that is also a previous year question, 2020 January, 9th January mains. Okay. So here force is variable, so we have to directly use the concept of that of W equal to what? F, integration of F dx only. Okay. So here F is given as minus, okay, I have to write it dr, okay, dr, because here the displacement is along x also, along y also, so it should be dr. So now the dr can be replaced as dx I cap plus dy j cap only. Here F is equal to minus x I cap plus y j cap. Okay, that is given dot, because it is equal to F dot dr. No? Integration of F dot dr is work done. So that dr can be written as dx I cap plus dy j cap. So if I perform the dot product, so what I see, that will be minus x dx plus y dy. Okay. So it is nothing but minus x dx plus y dy. So what is the initial limit of x? Initial limit of x is 1 only, okay? Because path is this. From point A to B it is going. Initial limit of x is 1 and final limit of x is 0. But in case of y, initial limit of y is 0 and final is 1. Okay? The coordinate is 1 only here. B point is the final point. So that is x square by 2. So it is nothing but 0 square minus 1 square only. So it is nothing but half of 1 square minus 0 square. Well, so it will be equal to what? After solving it, 1 joule, half plus half 1 joule. So C option is correct.